Alright, T-Bae, what's up? I am back. I got a video. We're gonna chat, we're gonna eat, I'm gonna cook for y'all, and we're gonna talk about this whole video with me, Casanat, AMP. Let me tell y'all, the internet been trying to school me, but we're gonna talk about it. Let's cut this lemon up. Alright, y'all, so we got our lemon. Today we are gonna be doing a seafood boil, but I found this recipe on TikTok, so we just gonna try it out and see, you know, what go on. I'm gonna start with cutting the lemon. So let me say this, y'all. I know by now y'all have seen my last vlog where Casanat and AMP and all the guys who were in the crew are a part of it. They ran, well, not, I don't want to say ran up on me, because ran up on me makes it sound like they were doing something bad to me, and that's not what it is. But they asked me if I wanted to do an epic vlog. Y'all heard the commentary. Kai asked me if I wanted to do an epic vlog. I got flustered. I said no. Now the whole internet is telling me that I fumbled, and to a certain extent, you know, yeah, I kind of did, but I'm a human too. Like, I was just shopping. All I'm doing is trying to get ready to go to my house. I was moving in. It was my first night staying here. So, you know, I wasn't trying to intentionally fumble, but I also was trying to get home. Auntie was tired, and I know what y'all thinking. That was stupid. That was dumb. You know, call it what you want. I understand, but I'm sorry. Like, I was shocked. Like, I'm a human. Sorry. You know, like, I don't know what else to say. Okay, so we have our ceramic bowls. It's so crazy because I can grab this with, it's like has a detachable handle to it, but it's also oven safe. So we're gonna use this for our crab legs, and we are going to put in the slices of lemon that we just cut up. Let's take out all the seeds. Let's push them out, you know. But yeah, but I really didn't. I knew, like, I think people were confused on if I knew who they were or not. I definitely knew who they were. I think that's kind of been a common misconception too. Everybody's like, did she not know who they were? I knew who they were, which is why I was like, oh wow, like, you know, because I couldn't even believe they were sitting there in my face. Also too, you know, my mama saw them come up first. They came from behind me, so I didn't even know that they was behind me till I hear Kai like, you want to make an epic vlog? And I'm like, what the hell? How is this even happening right now? And I'm in Walmart, of all places. Like, you know what I mean? You don't walk in Walmart expecting to see the streamer Avengers, because that is exactly how I felt when I seen them. I'm like, oh, this is like unbelievable right now. You know what I'm saying? Okay, so we got the lemons plated in here. Now we're gonna move on to our next couple of ingredients. So next we have to get like our measuring stuff. So I'm gonna need a cup to start with. Here's the cup. So we got a cup, and then I need the tablespoon too. Let's get it popping. So first, the instructions call for a tablespoon of minced garlic, and we're gonna spread it all throughout the pan. Like I said, I found this recipe on TikTok, y'all, and I think it's gonna be really good. We can talk more about, you know, what happened at Walmart and what I think about the response to the video. And honestly, the video's been going crazy, so I definitely want to talk to y'all about it. But first, I want to make my meal. So okay, we go minced garlic. I don't know if y'all like the spice world garlic, but I do. I'm gonna just take a tablespoon of it, and I actually love garlic, so I will be adding more. But they said just spread it throughout the pan. So that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna spread it throughout the pan. I'm gonna do 2 tablespoons of garlic. Lord, bless the people who gotta talk to me tomorrow. Cause y'all know one thing about that garlic, boy, I don't care what nobody say. That garlic gonna have your breath on 10. And that is not an exaggeration, okay? It's just really not. Okay, so now we're gonna do a cup of chicken stock, and I didn't need a whole thing, so I got a can. So we gonna open this using my pink can opener. So recipe calls for a cup of chicken stock, and I pretty much spilled this everywhere, so we just gonna pour this over the sink. And what's so crazy is that they would tell you to do a cup of chicken stock when you making a seafood like boil, but whatever. I'm gonna follow the instructions, baby. I ain't never cared nothing about it. One thing about me, if I find a recipe online that I like, I'm gonna try it. Okay, And actually, the creator who came up with this on TikTok, his name is Culinary Flair, Flaire. So this is his recipe. Thank you so much. Make sure y'all follow him. And he's a chef, so he has a bunch of recipes on there. Okay, so he said that we need to do 1 teaspoon of vinegar. I got the white distilled vinegar. Now that I've been working out, none of this is ever too hard for me anymore. Shout out to Corey, thank you. I've never made like a crab nothing, so this is definitely an experience that we all going through together. Okay, so then I also got this Zatarain's crab and shrimp boil concentrate, and he said do a cap full of this. I really should have did a cap full of the vinegar, but it's all right. I'm sure it'll all cook how it's supposed to cook. Cap full, pour that in there too. Okay, so now it's time to put the crab legs in. So I went to Publix to get the crab legs, and if you know, you know. Down in the South, Publix is our thing. Love Publix deeply. Let's rinse these off. We finna wash the crab legs off. And I know they said, oh, we shouldn't be washing our food, whatever. I don't care nothing about what they be talking about, babe. This food is getting washed, thank you. And I don't care who don't like it. And luckily, it's my trash day tomorrow, so I actually picked the perfect time to make this. I'm cleaning them off real good. And I think because of, well, I got 4, so it might be cool. Because I was about to say, I think because of the size of my hand, I want to break them up a little bit more, but I think that it's just best to keep them whole. Because we also gonna make a sauce that Culinary Flair said to make that goes over this. So what I'm putting in the pot just ain't gonna be the only thing, you know, that's there. Okay, so the crabs are now rinsed, and now we are going to season. Okay, so for right now, we're gonna use these to season the crab legs all over. So we got Slap Your Mama, Old Bay, and garlic salt. Let's get it. Y'all, I'm not gonna lie. Being in my spot has been so much fun. I've really been enjoying it. I just go do whatever. So we got that. So we go Slap Your Mama Cajun seasoning. I'm gonna season that all over. Being very generous with it. I'm lifting up the crab legs. I'm seasoning them down there. I'm making sure that everyone is seasoned really nicely, y'all, because y'all know we season our food around here, okay? We're not playing no games. All right, next, we're gonna go in with the garlic salt, which is Valari's garlic salt, nothing crazy. And I'm seasoning it heavy. I'm talking about heavy. All right, y'all, then we got the Old Bay. Anybody who from the DMV, Maryland specifically, tap in. If you ain't sneezing, you're not seasoning that bitch, all right? Straight up. All right, cool, seasoning that. Now we're going in, we're going to slice a whole stick of butter, put it in there. No issue. Let's slice it, let's dice it. Yep, I'm holding a stick of butter. What's the issue? Maybe that's the issue. Oh, I need to be careful. Okay, maybe I need to chop this up and come back and place it in here because I'm acting like I'm world's top chef, Chef Gordon Ramsay. All right, placing the butter in, it's all sliced up. And like I said, y'all, I go a whole stick of butter. I know that, well, I don't know nothing. It's my first time actually making this, so I don't even really know what this about to be like, but we finna see together, and that's what counts, right? We in this together, y'all down? And y'all know it smells magnificent in here, by the way. All right, butter placed in. All right, so now I'm gonna just rinse my hands off just a tad bit. And we're gonna cover this up with some aluminum foil, and we're gonna set our oven to 400. So let me show y'all the plate though first. Dun, 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 dun. Let's get the aluminum foil. And as I go type person, I don't like to really stand and wait around, let dishes sit the whole time. All right, we got the knife out the way. Let's get the onion and let's chop up some onions. Y'all, I'm super good at chopping up onions. My onions be hella small, okay? I don't play no games. I ain't come to play around. I didn't. Y'all like, you didn't come to play around, but you was playing around when them niggas walked up on you and asked you if you wanted to make an epic vlog. Y'all, I can't wait till we sitting with our meal and we talking about that because y'all gonna be gagged. All right, cool. About to cut my onion. I'll come back and show y'all my super tiny pieces. So we making the sauce. First, we're gonna start out with putting some butter in the pan, and we're gonna slide in our onions, and we're gonna put some garlic in. Okay, so for this, I'm going to use maybe 1 or 2 scoops of butter. The reason being is because we're gonna put more butter in here, and we don't want to just have super high cholesterol, child. High cholesterol is not sexy. Okay, so this is simmering. And remember how I told y'all that I have these pots that have the detachable handles? Let me show y'all. Easy peasy. These are like the best. I'm not gonna lie. Like, I think that these are so bomb. And I forgot to show y'all my onions. I like them small enough to where I don't feel like I'm chewing a big onion, but just enough for me to be able to taste it. Like it. The butter's melted, so let's slide in our onions. All right, garlic goes in next. And I ain't no real chef, y'all, so I don't want to hear nothing about it. And I'm gonna be very, very liberal with this garlic, y'all, because I absolutely love garlic. It's so good to me. I'll see how much I'm putting in here. Garlic warriors, get in the comments if y'all love garlic and you down with that. Say heck yeah. If y'all wish y'all was at my house right now eating these crab legs, say heck yeah. I know y'all do. I ain't gonna rub it in. All right, so while we waiting on this to fry, let's go ahead and talk about our seasoning. So we got slap your mama, garlic powder, paprika, parsley, onion powder, garlic powder, and we also have some wayyy. So this is frying up pretty good. I'm watching it go. I'm like, go Kelly, go. That's kind of how I feel about it. And we also gonna get our corn and potatoes, because what is a seafood boil without corn and potatoes? Am I right? I know I am. Okay, so we're gonna go low on that. And let's do, cause y'all, I got all this corn. Let's do 2 pieces of corn, and we're gonna wash the potatoes. Yeah, I could have got fresh corn, but I didn't. So don't judge me on that. Just vibe, twin, just vibe. And I got the little River Gold baby potatoes, cause why not? And I'm just gonna rinse these off and put them in there. I ain't really big on like, oh, we gotta be like, we just gonna rock out. All right, y'all, so we got butter in here. We did a stick of butter, and now we about to go in with our seasonings, and we finna rock out. So slap your mama, Cajun seasoning, go crazy with it. You know what I'm saying? You ain't gotta, like, I'm a seafood salt type of person, which I know salt really ain't good for you, but YOLO. So garlic salt, and I'm gonna do some Old Bay. Old Bay is like hella good on crab legs. I don't know what possessed me to want to make this today, but I'm glad I thought about it. Got some onion powder. If y'all wondering why it might look a little dark, it's because honestly I don't really care for the overhead lighting in my kitchen. It look a little crazy, so I said forget that. We're gonna use some nice ambient lighting, you feel me? And then last but not least, we go paprika. We did a little paprika. We're gonna stir all that together. Low key, I feel like I could add just a little bit more butter. Yeah, I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna add some more butter. Okay, so then for the sauce, he said to add half a cup of whipping cream. So we're gonna rock out with that. I think it's supposed to make it creamy. Sounds pretty good, but we finna see. All right, we're gonna spin that around. And then now I'm just doing my own thing, but I'll be back to show y'all the full spread and, you know, our corn and potatoes. All right, y'all, here's our whole plate. Corn done, everything done. And then we're gonna give it a good pour with our butter sauce. Ooh. All right, now we're gonna let this cool down and we're gonna try it. All right, y'all, so we got our plate. Y'all seen the pour, and now we are about to try it. Let's get into one crab leg. Ooh, ooh, no, I'm gonna tell y'all something. Season A1. Bomb pull. I'm putting it in the butter sauce. I'm dipping it all in there. Y'all know how this goes when you do a seafood boil. You gotta dip it in there now. Let's try it. Y'all, this shit's so good. I can't even believe I just made this just now. Okay, so back to the situation, or back to the whole thing that happened with Casanat. So a lot of people felt like in my comments that I was trying to play, like I didn't know who they were or anything like that. That was never the case. What was going on is that I literally was startled. I was startled because I actually couldn't believe that they were walking up on me. I couldn't believe it was them. Like, what are the odds that I'm at Walmart shopping from my house and here come the streamer Avengers? Like, I never expected that. And everybody wants to know the reason that I said no. I said no because I said no in all honesty because I felt like, one, I really was just trying to shop for my house. It was gonna be my first night that night staying in my new house, and I just wanted to go home. It was simple as that. And I know a lot of people are like, oh, you blew the opportunity, oh, you fumbled, oh this, oh that. And I mean, that's fine. I could agree and I could disagree. You know what I mean? I just feel like in that moment, whatever God wanted to happen is what was supposed to happen. But they were super respectful to me. I did not feel disrespected in any way. What they asked me, how they asked me. I just felt like I've been in the industry since I was 12 years old. You know, so I started with OMG. I kind of know how industry stuff goes, and so it didn't really bother me at all. Actually, it kind of made me feel like, oh, this is cool. But I just hate that, you know what I'm saying? Somebody else could have probably benefited from that way more, and maybe I still can benefit. Who knows? Like, that was really the reason that I said no. It wasn't because, oh, I felt like I was too good, or oh, I was nervous and I fumbled. Like, I was nervous. I know it sounds stupid, but you know, it is what it is. Shout out to Kai, and honestly, and shout out to like all the AMP too, because I didn't mention them, but it was like Ben the Don, Duke Dennis. Those are the guys that I seen that I knew. So if I'm missing anybody, I know y'all gonna tell me, because y'all been going so hard on me, like, oh, it's not just Kai, it's not just AMP, it's this person, it's that person. So yeah, you know, all of them, all of the people who was there in my face, shout out to y'all. Thank y'all for respecting me and just allowing me to go on. I didn't get badgered or nothing. I greatly appreciated that. I greatly appreciated that. So I'm about to kill this crab boil, and we'll talk later. All right, y'all, I finished my workout, but this video is not about the workout. I'm gonna ask everybody if they feel like I fumbled the castanet situation. Sister, do you feel like I fumbled the castanet shit? Tell me.
I say no, because you got the moment, and that was the moment. Thank you.
And that's what I know, y'all. Like, that's what I'm trying to tell y'all. I'm about to say, let me go see. Y'all know Corey, he be training with Kai. We gonna see what he say, but I think he probably gonna swear up and down. I did that shit. Who? Corey, do you feel like I fumbled the castanet shit? Tell him.
I don't feel like it. I know it. I like hot potato. Type shit. Yes.
That's how you feel?
Yes.
Okay, but why you feel like that though? You feel like I don't have no chance?
God is the only person who can say that you don't have a chance. But do I feel like you got a chance? It's kind of like, you kind of like stiff on them, like type shit. That's how men would take it. That ain't really, me knowing Beijing, me knowing Beijing, she didn't. But the fact that you would turn down KC3, to me, that's fucking insane that you would do that.
Wow. Well, y'all, you heard what he said. He said that God got the final say. And so, because God got the final say.
Boy, pull your jaw. Why you want to hide your jaw? What type of niggas these here that want to?
Yes, like. He feeling away, y'all. He was feeling something. All right, y'all. We gonna see what happens. We really don't know, but yes, thank y'all so much for watching my video. I hope that y'all enjoyed my little crab thing, and we talked about it. And y'all know, everybody's saying I didn't fumble that. Well, some people say I did, some people say I didn't. I really don't care what people say, because God got the final say, and we gonna see what happens. Hopefully one of y'all get to run to him. One of y'all who was mad at me about not taking it or not doing the thing, hopefully y'all run it to him so that y'all can do it. But thank y'all so much for watching my channel. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that bell notification in the top. Y'all already know how we do it, Team Bay. I love y'all, and I will see y'all next time. Bye.